Hello and welcome to this video. Today I'm going to talk about some of the problems with the current information systems for Albert Heijn, and further on I'm going to propose an innovative solution that will be effective in enhancing its overall customer service experience as well as improving its existing strategies. But before I move on, let's familiarize ourselves with the company's background and how it currently provides value to its consumers. Albert Heijn is a Dutch-based supermarket chain that currently operates over 950 stores in the Netherlands itself. It dominates 34.1% of the Dutch market, with the second closest competitor, Jumbo, possessing a much lesser 14% market share. The company currently offers most of all globally recognized F&B products, as well as an extensive range of its own private label products, and had revenues of almost 38.2 thousand million euros in 2015 itself. Now, for such a huge company, it is extremely important to have a robust IT strategy that helps in coordinating its entire supply chain as well as deal with consumer responsiveness. Conducted an interview with a team leader in one of the superstores and also collected consumer feedback data via market research. Some of the problems that we identified were relevant from both consumers and companies' perspective. Most floor employees do not possess enough information regarding the products in the store. A lot of consumers often feel annoyed when a particular employee is unable to answer basic questions regarding the products and is unable to locate a particular product in the supermarket. Also, a lot of employee time is wasted when they have to refer to other employees or team leaders when asked about specific information, or when they have to walk a consumer around the store. Now, some products are also often rotated within the supermarket, so consumers find it difficult and time-consuming to locate them. There is also no current system that allows them to get information regarding their past purchases, the prices they paid, as well as information regarding product availability and alternative substitutes. The proposed solution incorporates interactive kiosk terminals at larger Albert Heijn stores, which will allow the consumers to find all the relevant data related to their specific needs. People can simply use these kiosks to search products based on filters such as ingredients, specific recipes, calorie count, prices, quantity, etc. Other than that, it will also provide them information related to product availability and provide alternative suggestions and substitute information. By simply tapping their bonus card to the device, they'll be able to access information related to their past purchases and the prices that they paid. In case the consumers find it difficult to use the kiosk or are not satisfied with the information that they get, they can always use the help button in the software, which will send an indication to one of the employees to further assist the consumer. Now, in terms of investments required to implement such a technology, the company would need to invest some capital in software development, in hardware costs such as purchasing tablets that can be incorporated into these kiosks, and also in training few of its employees to use the software. Now, this is a relatively inexpensive method, as the company already operates website and mobile application that offers few of these features. This existing technology and data can be easily used to develop a system that can be used as such kiosks. Also, costs related to training are not substantial, as most of these employees are relatively young who have enough expertise with using such devices. Finally, inexpensive but reliable tablets can be purchased for as low as 100 euros each, and this one-off expense should be seen as an investment towards providing better consumer service in the long run. Since Albert Heijn's current competitive strategy focuses on providing high levels of consumer satisfaction and service, investment in such technology is even more necessary. It will help the company to address existing consumer pains and help to improve the consumer's in-store experience. With the wide availability of data, the young generation of millennials are becoming increasingly more informed about the products and services they consume. This service will allow them to learn more about products and make better informed decisions. Also, it will allow Albert Heijn to gather more data about consumer wants. By analyzing the kiosk usage data, they'll be able to determine what kind of products or specific characteristics do most people search for. This will allow the company to make better purchasing decisions as well as identify gaps in the market. By learning more about consumer behavior, Albert Heijn will eventually be able to make better informed decisions regarding logistics and its entire supply chain, which will eventually benefit both the parties.
Created using Powtoon.